What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're going to be doing a contour fade on my boy, so stay tuned. We started off by saturating the hair and combing the hair in the direction it lays. Then we switched over to our Gold FX and created our first guideline, contouring the guideline to the head shape. Once we're done balding them out, we're going to switch over to our 8 guard all the way open and debulk the top. Now that we're done balding them out and debulking the top, we're going to switch over to our 2 guard all the way open and create our first guideline. This guideline is mainly to build our silhouette and debulk the sides, getting it ready for the no guard all the way open. With our no guard all the way open, we're going to create our second guideline and then use the lever all the way closed and midway to erase that initial guideline. We're going to apply some shave stick before we use our foil shavers so he doesn't bump up. Using the lever all the way closed and midway, we're going to continue to erase that initial guideline. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Now that we're done softening up the line with the 1 guard, we're going to move on to our half guard and erase the line completely. Since we soften up the line with the 2 guard, we're going to move on to our 1.5 guard and erase the line completely. Sometimes there's a faint line, so you could use your 1 guard all the way open to remove it. Using my 3 guard all the way open, I'm gonna keep going up and blend into the bulk. Remember, I'm always using the comb to feed the hair into the clipper. Now I was doing some corner work with my 1.5 guard. And I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Moving on to the hairline, we're going to be using our gold effects, and we started off by combing the hair in the direction it lays and then starting off in the middle. We're going to be starting our C cup from the bottom and working our way to the top. Now we're doing some detail work with our half guard all the way open.